Hi, today we're exploring the fascinating realm of customization in pre-construction condos. Because in this area of the real estate world, customization is king. Developers understand that every buyer is different, and they offer a wide range of options to cater to individual tastes. One of the major points of pre-construction condos is the flexibility to personalize even the smallest details. This goes well beyond the almost standard offerings to customize bathrooms, kitchens, and flooring. Take closets for example. While some developers deliver fully finished properties, others leave the closet space open for buyers to customize it according to their needs. They consider the closets a very personal and functional space, and prefer buyers to have the final word on the finishes and design. For those seeking the ultimate in luxury, the reality is that the sky is the limit. Penthouse and higher units normally offer a superior level of customization, including the ability to combine multiple units for a truly expansive living space. Whether you prefer a turnkey property or wish to work with your own contractors and designers, the choice is yours. And many developers are open to negotiate how do you prefer the property space to be delivered. The beauty of pre-construction condos lies in their ability to turn your vision into reality. Unlike existing properties, which often comes with limitations, pre-constructions often, when purchased at the right time, a wide range and a wide canvas to customize and put your vision into reality. Thank you very much for joining me today. I'm Julio Ibanez, real estate agent specializing in working with buyers of brand new, ready to move in condos and the most promising pre-construction projects from Miami to the beautiful Palm Beach. We serve local, out-of-state and foreign clients looking for prime properties for personal use or investment. For personalized assistance navigating pre-construction real estate, contact us today or book a call on the link below. I really look forward to meeting with you soon.